What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Thrashin Supply Garage. Today we have an M8 Lowrider S up on the lift and our all new true dual exhaust system. This exhaust starts at 1 3/4 head pipe. It steps into the Feuling anti-reversion chamber and it exits at 1 7/8. This high output exhaust system comes with dual mufflers and it has the Feuling dog ball baffles. Let's throw this on the bike and give you guys some awesome sound clips. So let's
spend a little bit of anthem.
yeah, get the